Now, this is a windy day. I'm going about 45 miles per hour. Full speed ahead. If I had a Sony ZV-E1, oh yeah, it'd be right on top of that bad boy, man. I lost the signal. Actually, I lost battery power. No, there's the signal. I don't like what just happened there. I think my tire gave. Oh, my tire gave. Look at that. Let's bring this bad boy in. First broke of the time. Look at that. Check it out, man. You tell me what you saw on video that made this thing go. What'd you see on video that made this thing go? This popped off right here. That's an easy fix. I can put that back in. But I'm gonna shut it down. Simple as that. I had my fun. That hadn't popped off in so many years, man. The hardest part about this fix is me showing to you on camera. I think it's a 7mm. 5.5 is not going to be the size. No, it's a 7mm or something. Yeah, that's what it is. So I need to do this right-handed. Get this on there. Spin this off. Take about a minute to do, really. Put that to the side. Get the Phillips. Is it a Phillips? No, it's not a Phillips. I think it's like a 2mm one. Oh, I missed it by just one size. I think it's this one right here. Yep, that's what it is. Can I do it by hand? Yeah, I could do it by hand, but get the tool on there. Am I under a minute yet? Still? Unscrew this. Put this on here. Look at the other side. See which hole it is. It's the bottom hole. Put it on there. You want to put it on the top hole, you even go lower. Maybe one day I'll do that. Lock it down. All back on. Nice and tight. That's why you have to always check those bolts. And get that wheel back on there. I'm ready to go out, have some more fun. I think that curb cost me my fun over there. It just hit it the right way and it popped right off. You don't want to lose these bolts, so you just hold that wheel, make it nice and tight. There I go, I'm all done. Back on, simple as that.